Hey everyone, a bustling cryptocurrency market filled with endless possibilities. Hook, have you ever wondered which digital assets are powering the future? Well, if you're looking for a platform that offers a diverse range of cryptocurrencies, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Newton and exploring the vast array of cryptocurrencies they have on offer. Building context. Before we get into the specifics, let's take a quick look at what Newton is all about. Newton is a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform that provides a secure and user-friendly environment for buying, selling, and trading various digital assets. With a commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction, Newton has gained a reputation as a reliable choice for both seasoned traders and newcomers to the crypto world. Main content: the cryptocurrencies on Newton. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the cryptocurrencies available on Newton. While it's impossible to cover every single asset in their vast portfolio, we'll highlight some of the most popular and noteworthy ones. Bitcoin, BTC, the OG of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin remains the most widely recognized and valuable digital asset. Newton offers a secure and convenient way to buy, sell, and hold BTC. Ethereum, ETH, as the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, Ethereum is more than just a digital currency. It's a decentralized platform that enables the creation of smart contracts and dApps, decentralized applications. Newton supports ETH trading and allows you to explore the Ethereum ecosystem. Tether, USDT. Tether is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, designed to provide a more stable alternative to traditional cryptocurrencies. It's often used as a bridge between fiat currencies and the crypto world. Newton offers USDT trading pairs for easy conversion. Binance Coin, BNB, as the native token of the Binance exchange, BNB offers various benefits and utility within the Binance ecosystem. Newton supports BNB trading and allows you to take advantage of its features. Ripple, XRP. Ripple is a digital payment network designed to facilitate fast and efficient cross-border transactions. Newton provides XRP trading pairs, making it easy to participate in the Ripple network. Cardano, ADA. Cardano is a decentralized platform that aims to provide a secure and scalable environment for smart contracts and dApps. Newton supports ADA trading and allows you to explore the Cardano ecosystem. Polkadot, DOT. Polkadot is another blockchain platform that focuses on interoperability and scalability. Newton offers DOT trading pairs, giving you access to the Polkadot network. Chainlink. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that provides real-world data to smart contracts. Newton supports link trading, allowing you to participate in the Chainlink ecosystem. Beyond the basics. While we've covered some of the most popular cryptocurrencies, Newton's offerings extend far beyond these. They regularly add new assets to their platform, keeping up with the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Additional considerations. When choosing a cryptocurrency on Newton, it's essential to consider factors such as market capitalization. This indicates the overall value of a cryptocurrency. Volatility. Cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, so it's important to understand the risks involved. Use case. Different cryptocurrencies have different purposes and applications. Long-term potential. Some cryptocurrencies may have greater long-term potential than others. Conclusion. Newton offers a diverse range of cryptocurrencies, catering to the needs of various investors and traders. Whether you're interested in the established giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum or exploring emerging projects, Newton provides a platform to invest and trade with confidence. Call to action. If you're ready to start your cryptocurrency journey or expand your portfolio, Newton is a great place to begin. Visit their website to learn more, create an account, and explore the world of cryptocurrencies. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.